Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to beat Arena 10 in Clash Royale using Giant Balloon Freeze deck that you can completely overwhelm opponents. Let's get started. The deck you'll be using includes Giant, Balloon, Minion Horde, Minions, Skeleton Army, Skeletons, Freeze, and Arrows. Your main win condition is Balloon, while the Giant acts as your tank, soaking up the tower damage and protecting your push. The key combo of placing Giant in front with Balloon behind, forcing your opponent to deal with the both threats at the same time. For defense, Minion Horde and Minions are amazing for shredding tanks and air units, while Skeleton Army shuts down ground pushes and punishes overcommits. Skeleton helps you cycle faster and distract key troops. The most important card in this deck is the Freeze. Only use Freeze on offense. Drop it when your balloon reaches the tower or when your opponent places their main defense. This can instantly guarantee massive tower damage or even a tower takedown. While the arrows are your answer to swarm cards like Minion Horde, Skeleton Army, and Goblin Gang. Use them wisely to keep your balloon alive. The strategy is simple. Play patiently, build big pushes, use freeze at the same perfect moment, and if your opponent overcommits on defense, punish hard with counter push. With strong offense, great defense, and high versatility, this deck is one of the best ways to dominate an Arena 10. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.